Don't call me up, go, good, good. Don't call me up, go, good, good. Don't call me up, go.
What's up, beautiful people? I am back, and today I'll be showing you guys how I distress this jean jacket and how I design it. I'm gonna try to show you guys the whole process. If the video is too long, I'll show you how to distress it in another video. But with that being said, this is the jean jacket that's in question. It is very basic. Pretty simple jean jacket. I thrifted it. I think I got this jacket for like $6. Washed it, everything, and now it's time to design it. So, with that being said, let's get straight to the process, B-Dog.
Alright, love, so first what we're going to do is you're going to take a canvas, put it inside the jacket just so you can have like a more of a solid foundation to paint on top of. Make sure it's pretty as tight as possible so it doesn't move and your picture is like stretched as possible. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the picture of your choice, cut out the stencil and place it on the background, and then after that what you're going to do is go ahead with your white paint so that the colors can come out more vibrant. And then from there, just cut out the stencil and place it onto the jacket and trace it like so. And then once you finish doing that, you're going to go in and add all the colors that you need and just kind of fill in the stencil according to the picture that you have. Okay, so now we pretty much got the back of the jacket finished. We're going to move on to the sleeves. And with the sleeves, what you see me here doing is just adding the letters to the sleeve. It just spells out my sister's name. And then the other side is going to say princess. This part is pretty simple. Just got to make sure you have enough space for each letter. But of course, I start off with the white. And then after that, I go back in with the pink just so that, like I said, the colors pop up a lot more vibrant. You don't have to start off with white if you don't want to, but just from my experience, starting off with white makes the colors pop up a lot better than just going straight in with the colors. But anyway, you're gonna do this for both sides if you want, and yeah, that's it. And then once the letters are pretty much finished being painted, I just go back in with the white to outline each letter just to make the outside look more crisp and more neat than what it did. This process took a good minute because it's kind of tedious, but I feel like it makes it look a lot neater, so I would recommend it. But yeah. Alright, love, so this is the finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.